Bordeaux wine, what is it? Well, for starters, it is wine from the Bordeaux region of France. Bordeaux produces some of the most famous and coveted wines in the world. If you're not familiar with Bordeaux wines by name, chances are you have encountered these wines without knowing it. This is Curt Sassak, president of Winetasters Choice. Thank you for joining. Before we proceed, I would appreciate it if you like and subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so you can be notified anytime we post new content. As a disclaimer, I am only covering the basics of Bordeaux wine. This video, like all my videos, are intended to help people for everyday use. Now, on to Bordeaux. Bordeaux is a region located in southwestern France. It is home to 54 appellations producing over 700 million bottles of Bordeaux wine, ranging from inexpensive table wine to some of the most prestigious and expensive wines in the world. What is an appellation? In layman's terms, it is an officially designated area for wines and foodstuffs. It is geographical protectionism. To elaborate further, I will use champagne as an example. For a wine to be called champagne, there are laws and regulations that must be met in order for it to be called champagne. For one, it must be from the Champagne region, along with meeting many other strict requirements. A majority of the wine produced in Bordeaux is red, but you can also find dry white wines, rosé, Cremant de Bordeaux, and oddly enough, in a region dominated by red wines, the most famous sweet white wine in the world comes from the Bordeaux region. It's called Sauternes. Sauternes is also the name of the sub-region located within the Bordeaux region. Why is Bordeaux wine famous? It comes down to its location. The region's climate and soil are ideal for the production of high-quality wines. Vintage is of particular importance to Bordeaux. To contrast that, some of the big box producers of wine in the New World countries make wine with the goal of consistency in mind so that the wine tastes the same year after year, much in the same approach as Coke or Pepsi. It's almost like following a recipe so the consumers get a product that always tastes the same. This approach of following a kind of recipe is much less common with European wineries. Many wineries in Europe not only allow vintage variants, but favor it. Things like weather, the amount of rainfall, and other factors can influence the grapes during a growing season and determine whether one vintage is better than another. Bad weather can have devastating effects on the wine, and this is why some vintages are so highly prized and expensive over other vintages. French wines can be confusing because the labels rarely have the grape names on the bottle. Instead, what you have is the name of the place. The region plays a more significant role in European wines than for wines outside of Europe. Normally, the name of the wine is the same as the name of the region it's from, and each region is known for a particular style of wine. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for more videos coming on our channel. And again, if you have any requests, please put it in the comment. I'll be happy to do a video provided it's something related to adult beverages. All the best and stay safe.